Having a blocked or runny nose, a sore throat and a cough is common, especially in winter. But how do you know if you have coronavirus, flu or a cold? If your temperature is above 37.8 degrees centigrade, you should get a test, as one of the main symptoms of COVID-19 is a fever. If you have a common cold, a fever is relatively rare. Just remember, if you're waiting for a test, you've got to self-isolate with your household until it comes back negative. So what about sneezing? Well, if no other symptoms develop, it's probably a cold. Please remember to catch your sneeze so the spray is not infecting others. Don't leave tissues around and wash your hands often. A runny or blocked nose on its own is likely to be a cold. But if you've lost your sense of taste or smell, that's a symptom of COVID-19 and you should get a test. Coughs are more difficult to tell apart. A new, continuous cough is one of the most common coronavirus symptoms. But how do you know if your cough is continuous? A continuous cough is one where you've been coughing a lot for more than an hour, or that you've had 3 or more significant coughing episodes in a 24-hour period. If you're not sure, you can use NHS 111, either online or on the phone. There's a link to the 111 site at the bottom of this screen. You may of course also contact your own GP surgery, but please don't go into your surgery. Please ring them up first and they'll often be able to provide advice over the telephone. If you don't want a nasty cold or flu to put you down for a few days, then remember hand washing, social distancing and wearing masks will protect you from the common winter illnesses, as well as coronavirus, which is handy.